Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel VB Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get the updated videos. So guys, in this video, just we will learn or we will talk about that how to get the data from MS Access, right, in the list view in between two dates. Means how to get the data between two dates from the MS Access in list view in user form, right? So for this, just here I have a list view, right? So in this list view I won't get the data from MS Access database between two dates, right? So guys, just if you don't know about the list view and how to add it and how to just initialize and all the things, so please watch my previous videos about the list view, right guys? So what I'll do is I'll simply write the codes on the command button, right? So here I have already written the codes to establish the connection between MS Access and just MS Excel. So what I'll do is I'll simply fire the SQL queries to get the data between two dates from MS Access database. Right. So for this I'm simply fire the SQL queries from table name. Here I have a table, right? That is this one, and between two dates, first I'll text box 1 dot text, right, and I have also declared the second date, that is text box 2. I have written the query. Now I am going to execute this query with the help of record set, that is rst dot open. I'll open the record set, and here I have the get data source, and here I have active connection, that is CLT, and here I have cursor type open key set, and I'm using add log pessimistics. So now if I don't have any data between given two dates, then simply type a message box no data found. Alright, VB information. I'm closing the record set and closing the connection. Alright guys, and also exit the sub and also close the end if condition. If I have a data between two dates, then I'll with list view I'll get this data in list view. I have a list view, right? So I have already declared one variable, that is li, as a list item, right guys? So here I'll apply a do while loop to get data one by one in list view, right? So for this do while not rst dot eof, right? Here I'm simply set li equal to dot list items dot add, right? Here I am simply adding the field. I have a field that is what? Right guys, I'm just, so here I'm getting the name, simple. Alright, this is the first field, and li dot li dot list sub item, right, dot add, right? Here I'm getting the second field, that is fields. Here I'm getting the employee ID and just copy and paste here, and also getting the list sub item dot. I also want the date of birth of the employee. So here I have a date of birth, right? So I'm sorry guys, actually I have missed the where condition. Select star from employee where, sorry guys, where DOB, employee DOB between, right guys, between this date. So now I have got the data. So now what I'll do is I'll move the record set, move next, and also move the loop and end with. And after getting all the data in list view, I'm closing the record set, nothing, and close the connection as well after getting the data. So guys, this is the code, just to get the data from MS Access database in list view between two dates. So now what I'll do is I'll just simply execute the code. So here is the data, right? And what I'll do is I'll just execute the code. So now what I'll do is I'll simply insert the two dates. So I want the data between two dates from 1/1/2000 to 12/01/2021. So I'm using my my system date format, that is MMDDYY. So once I click on that, so I'll get the data from the MS Access between two dates in list view, right guys? So this is the data, right guys? So guys, this is all about the just list view, list view, and how to get the data from MS Access in list view. So guys, if you have any concern, any queries, just in list view or in MS Access, that right, so please write your comment in the comment box. I'll get back to you on that. So guys, thanks for the watching.